Ooh! Hello, Gary. It's my friend Gary, aren't you, Gary?
Well, you like me.
Yeah. Gary,
Yeah.
I was listening into you like talking about this creation that you've made, which I feel is like more sculpture. What do you think?
I like to think of it as 2D sculpture.
Oh,
Yeah.
2D?
So, yeah, 2D sculpture.
Mate, I think there's an extra D there. Look at that. That's not just 2. That's at least 3.
Yeah, but I'm being...
Facetious.
Yes.
You're being facetious.
Something like that.
Facetious. So, like, what do those rosettes do?
Right, so if you tap the middle with your phone,
Yeah.
it loads a video on your phone.
Oh my gosh, of what?
Well, so this one, I can't remember all of them, but this one is a little video about Brave New World, you know, the Aldous Huxley book.
Oh.
Yeah, and it's some quotes from there. So, you know, basically, in the book, what they talk about is you should throw things away, yeah, so that you can buy more stuff, yeah, and we're against that, aren't we? So
I hear
I've
that
turned it around.
Oh, amazing. Okay. So, like, I think there's an overall feeling that you've got, which is essentially like, I feel like you care about the planet and you care about, especially Brighton. And so you're kind of like bringing awareness. Is that true? Like, what is this huge diamond here?
Oh, right. So those are representative of hazardous waste signs. So any kind of hazardous waste has to be labelled with a hazardous waste sign, and it's normally something like explosive or carcinogenic or can't remember the word, harmful to the environment, those kind of things, yeah. And what I've done is I've kind of taken that hazardous waste idea, but turned it into the brands that create the most waste in our environment, and these are the top 9 brands. People are sometimes a bit, oh, I didn't realise that, you know, they were the brands that are causing the most problems. But yeah, if you do what I do, which is go out and do litter picks very, very often, like it's part of my job, then you start to see what the problems are. And I bet you if you walk down this road just now, you'd find at least one of every single one of those. Maybe not the Red Bull, because there's not really a Red Bull area around here, is it?
Everyone's pretty awake, naturally.
Yeah,
Kemp Town does have good energy.
They're not woke around here.
Amazing. Like, and I did hear you say something about these like red diamond shapes. So
Yeah.
are they on the back of like products?
Yeah. So if you was to get a bottle of bleach, yeah, there'd be a carcinogenic and a harmful to the environment hazardous waste sign on there. Yeah.
So cool.
But some things, like, you know, would have other signs on them. So there's 9 hazardous waste signs altogether that the state uses to designate hazardous waste items.
Wow.
The really good thing though is my zine, Factotum.
Zine?
Yeah? So Factotum means it comes from factio and totem. Yeah, factio means make, and totem means everything. Yeah. So I think I aspire to be a factotum, somebody who can make everything. Yeah.
You are a factotum, Paul.
Well, not just yet. No.
You are.
But I'm trying to get there.
Gary.
And
you are.
Okay. Well, that's why. Well, I aspire to be one, and maybe one day. But what I want also is I want others to be factotum. So what I've done is I've created a zine, and the first one is very, very basic. It's just all about how to clean your tools, yeah? And what you have to do, if you're going to clean tools, yeah, or clean anything, you always have to have a hanky on you, yeah? So if you've got a hanky on you, you can clean things. So always have a hanky. Have you got a hanky on you?
No.
No, well, yeah, see?
I should get a hanky.
Yeah.
So it's a booklet on...
So hankies, yeah, are really,
Such
really...
a good word, isn't it, hanky?
Hankies are really, really good for blowing your nose, yeah, wiping your brow. So on a hot day like this,
Yes,
yeah.
I've already done that today.
Cleaning your spectacles. What's that say? Wiping your hands. I can't read. Consoling a crying lady. And robbing a train.
Robbing a train. How do you rob a train with just a hanky?
How is that?
Oh!
Oh!
Wait, maybe we hide because we won't know. Oh my gosh! Oh! Please don't take my goodies.
Yeah. So
Love it. So is this fat totem pamphlet available to the public? see
yes,
it,
if you
price.
come to the fantastic open house at Aurora House in Lower Rock Gardens in Kent Town in Brighton, yeah, you will be able to purchase not only copies of Factotum, but all the wonderful art that is on exhibition here as well.
For purchase, up for purchase. Little Ming.
Yeah, there you go. How was that? Was that okay, dear?
Oh my gosh, that was so fantastic, Gary. We're still filming, so I'm going to have to tell you the truth, aren't I? I could feel my heart and I felt so connected to your creations that there's much more love, and now I feel like I do want a fat totem pamphlet for myself.
Okay. Well, because you're so nice,
Yeah.
you can have one for free. I've done them in different covers.
Oh yeah, I like the hazardous cover.
You like that one, do you?
Oh yeah, I love it.
Well, that's yours then.
To keep. I love it. Thank you, Gary.
You're welcome.
Such love.